Hi everyone! Today I'm super excited to show you a super fun collab between Kracie's Nerunerunerune and European sugar cone ice cream. And guess what? I've got some real ice cream ready to go today. So at the end of the video, I'll be adding these toppings and giving it a try. I'm really looking forward to it. Alright, let's open the package. I can't wait! Oh! Inside, we've got 4 packets of powder, a spoon, and a tray. First, we cut off the little cup from the tray. Now, pour powder number 1 into the left side of the tray. Wow! Amazing! As soon as I opened the packet, the smell of vanilla came pouring out. Smells so good! Next, add 1 cup of water using the triangle cup. Then, mix it up really well. It's turning into a thick yellow cream. The vanilla aroma is lovely. Let's keep mixing until the powder disappears. I think this is about right. Look at this, so gooey and smooth. Now we add powder too. Let's see what happens. Oh! Mix, mix, mix. Wow! It's puffing up. In no time, we've got a huge fluffy cream. This is the magic of Nerunerunerune. Looks delicious. Let's have a little taste. It's like vanilla with a little tangy twist. Next up, we are making the chocolate sauce topping. So excited for this part? Just opening the packet fills the air with chocolatey goodness. Pour it into the right side of the tray, add 1 cup of water, and mix gently so the powder doesn't fly everywhere. After a while, it thickens into a rich chocolate sauce. Like this. Just like the real thing. And the small, it's sweet and chocolatey and amazing. Looks delicious. Can't wait. Let's open the last topping. Oh wow, it's crunchy cone pieces. Yes, they look awesome. Don't they remind you of real ice cream cones? Looks so yummy. Alright, let's eat. いただきます. Of course, I'm adding chocolate on top too. Looks delicious. Oh, yum! It's got the right crunch, and the taste totally brings me back to my childhood, just like the original European sugar cone. Now, here comes the best part. We are adding the toppings to real ice cream. I'm so excited! Yes, this is a feeling. So nostalgic. I'm super hyped for this. Let's start with the vanilla foam. Ready? Here we go! Wow! How amazing is this? It turned into such a fancy looking dessert. Let's add the chocolate sauce too. Oh! Look! Looks delicious. And now, let's try it. Oh my goodness, it's so good! I can't stop eating this. Here we go. Oh wow! I'm so excited! This is seriously a must try. Oh yum! If you are lucky enough to find it in a store, definitely give it a go. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching until the end. See you in the next video. Bye bye!